Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how to use our new PDF bulk form filling feature on Instafill.ai. This feature allows you to automatically fill out PDF forms with relevant data, so you don't have to enter the same information manually each time. It saves you the hassle of completing the same form multiple times. So I will walk you through the steps to find and use this feature, making the process quick and easy. Let's get started. You can get this feature in the Forms section, and then we get to the Forms screen where you can upload a new form to fill it in batch, or you can use your forms you previously uploaded to Instafill.ai. Let's try with uploading a new form. And on the next screen, we are required to choose the form. And once we upload it successfully, we can review it and continue to the next step. This step is optional, so we can skip it for now and continue to the finish screen where we are required to get the form name, so we can leave it as it is or give it another name. So my form is REG 230, so I renamed it, clicking finish, and then I can see this form in the list of available forms count. So the next step is to get to the menu and choose the fill out form in batch button. Once we click it, we're getting the next screen where we are required to choose a CSV file with our data that we are going to populate in multiple PDFs. So I prepared my CSV file that contains 10 rows, and once I upload it, on the next screen I can see the information from my CSV file. Here we can see 10 rows and a few columns. It is necessary to have the column name, so Instafill.ai can match each column appropriate. So once we reviewed our CSV, we have a few options. We can choose this button and generate all PDFs in a row. So clicking this button will generate all 10 PDFs and populate each field in the exact PDF. Or we have another options like choosing only one PDF file. So in this case, for example, if we need to generate only one PDF, we're choosing it, checking it, and here we can see the action. Here we can generate one, or we can generate a few PDFs. This feature allows us to generate only chosen PDFs. To wait a few seconds, and we can see our PDFs are generated. Let's download any of them and review how Instafill fill this PDF. the information from all 5 columns is populated correctly. So as you can see, we can process with any of the PDFs or with all of them. Let's generate all of them. When the process is completed, we'll have the ability to download any of PDFs. We can download them separately, one by one, or we can choose all the PDFs generated and download all of them in a zip file. In this zip file, we'll have all our 10 PDFs, and each one will contain an appropriate field or appropriate fields attached to the exact PDF. So this is how it works, and we actually added one more feature where you have the ability to see the history of batch. Here is the PDF we just filled in bulk. So if we click the batch history, we can see the screen that contains the information like column names, the number of rows, which means we generated 10 PDFs, and the date created. We can open it in case we need to work with the exact PDF. Again, this option allows us to review our previous work. We can delete it if necessary. If you process a few batches with the exact form, like in this case, in the batch history we can see all of the history operations we did. In this PDF, I worked 3 times with different CSV documents. Again, we can review them or delete. Okay, I really hope you find this feature useful for yourself. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to reach out our support team at support@Instafill.ai or just by leaving your comments below. Thank you.